Hi friends, Miss Megan coming to you from the Children's Museum of the Low Country in downtown Charleston, South Carolina. And I am so excited to see you. I'm so sad I can't be in the classroom with you, but I thought I would come to you from the bright, fun, colorful art room here at the museum. So even though I can't be in the classroom with you, I'm so very excited to do this activity with you. I get to see you for the next 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to see you Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I can't wait to see you. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to jump into activity number 1. My plan is to get to spend some time with you over the computer on a call, but just in case for our friends at home or if we have some issues, we do have this video. So that's why I'm sending you this video of me pre-recorded. So today's activity is going to start, and teachers, I'm going to give you a little heads up. This is what we're going to need today. We are going to need our natural versus human-made sheet for sorting. We're going to need this bright, colorful, it's actually a black piece of paper, and it'll be folded. So it's a nice big black piece of paper, but on the front, we have a little description, and we're going to talk about Andy Goldsworthy. And then you should also have your big bag full of miscellaneous stuff. Okay, so today, day 1, what we're going to do is we're going to sort by something called natural versus man-made. Now what that means, we're going to go over the 2 first, is natural. You see what I have here? What is that? A what? That's right, it's a leaf, okay? There's a nice, beautiful green leaf that was made naturally in nature, okay? Things, can we think of some other things? Maybe plants, flowers, shells, twigs, trees, rocks. Can you think of any? Some other things you can think of. All right. Think of things that occur naturally or that we see happen in nature. And then the other item is going to be human-made. You're a human. I'm a human. Your teacher's a human. Things that are made by human beings. And my sample here is a picture. What is that a picture of? That's right, books. You don't find books naturally in nature. You find them after people have made them with their hands. That is human-made. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your paper and you're going to lay it down nice and flat on the desk in front of you. See, I got mine right here. Natural versus human-made. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your big bag of stuff. And what I want you to do is kind of carefully take things out. And as your stuff comes out of your bag, you're going to see another Ziploc baggie. Okay, this is a smaller one. Here's your big bag. This small bag was inside of here. What I want you to do is take that out and put it to the side because we're going to need that later, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to empty out all of your items and you're going to take a couple minutes. Now, remember what we're sorting into, natural versus human-made. So you're going to pick up an item. This first one, it's a plastic cup. Do we find that in nature? Or did a human make that? I think I know where I want to put it. There's another one. Ooh, this looks like a twig, maybe off of a tree. I think I know where that one goes. So what you're going to do now is take a couple minutes, go through all the items in your bags, and try to sort in natural versus human-made. Take some time and think about each one. What if you don't know? Is that okay? Of course it is. Don't get mad, don't get frustrated. If you're not quite sure which pile it goes in, you can kind of set it somewhere maybe in between. All right? Because I sure hope we get to talk through some of these because some of them might be a little tricky. Okay? So you're going to take a few minutes to sort through your items. After you sort through your items, we're gonna leave our items in our separate piles. And then your teacher is going to show you a video. And this video is about an artist. Do you know what an artist is? Are there different kinds of artists? There sure are. Your teacher's gonna show you a video of an artist whose name is Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy does some really cool art. So we're gonna watch a video about him quick, all right? And then we're gonna get back together and you are gonna make your very own piece of artwork inspired by Andy Goldsworthy. Inspired means something he does, but you're gonna do it your way, but using what he did as an inspiration or to get your brain working about what it is you want to make, okay? So you're gonna watch the video. I'll just take I think it's like a 3-minute video, 3 minutes, you can handle that. We're gonna watch a 3-minute video, and then when we come back, we're gonna actually do a super fun activity. So, enjoy the video. All right, now that we're back, we are gonna use this black piece of paper that has a sticker. And I'm gonna read it to you. It says, Andy Goldsworthy inspired design. Use your natural materials, those are the materials you just sorted, to create a sculpture on the black paper. Make sure to take a photo and share. One of the things they mentioned in the video is that Andy Goldsworthy's work is not meant to stay there. It's transient. What that means is wind may blow or it may rain, and all of those things may send his artwork that he worked so hard on back into nature. So that's why he makes sure he always takes a camera. So what we're gonna do is we want our artwork to stay transient. We want it to be like Andrew Goldsworthy's. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our piece of art using our natural items. Over here, I have my natural items separated. Okay, I'm gonna tilt this back down again, just so you can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, here we go. And some of my natural items. What I'm gonna do is place my items and make a sculpture. I started with my twigs and kind of this swirly pattern. And what I think I want to do is maybe go with rocks at the end of each of my twigs. And then I found some shells. Maybe I'll put a shell in the middle and a shell each side. What kind of shape does it look like I'm starting with? That's right. Some of these, just like in the video, Andy Goldsworthy's art was mandalas. It means they were in the shape of a circle. So I could start like that, or if you don't like it, just swipe it off and start again. This time, I may go in a zigzag pattern. What's cool is your creation can go any direction you would like. There's no right, there's no wrong. It's all about the process and having fun while you create your artwork. Then what you can do is either grab a phone or an iPad and take a picture of your art. Again, if you don't like it, that is okay. Swipe it off and start again. All right, friends. So today, what we did was we sorted by natural, like this leaf, or man-made, with made by our hands. Then we used those natural items to create a piece of art inspired by Andy Goldsworthy. I can't wait to see you. I'm so excited to do this project with you. So if you need anything, just let your teachers know. Teachers, you also have a bag full of extra natural items. So if they would like to expand on their Andy Goldsworthy inspired art, they can do that. Please make sure you take pictures, share them with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle, anybody. And I would definitely love to see those Andy Goldsworthy inspired art. Thanks so much. Can't wait to see you.